Hi my lovely people, in today's video I'm about to teach you how to edit videos with CapCut. Do you want your videos to look professional without using any expensive software? Here is how to edit with CapCut. Step 1. Open CapCut and tap New Project to start editing your video. Step 2. Import all the clips you want to use and arrange them in the correct order. Step 3. Trim unnecessary parts to keep your video short, engaging, and easy to watch. Step 4. Add captions, transitions, sound effects, and animation to make your content more interesting. Export your video in high quality before uploading it to TikTok, YouTube, or Facebook. Good editing helps keep viewers watching longer, which can lead to more views and engagements. Follow Smart Tech Hub and comment CapCut if you want to learn more editing tutorials.